Thank you for watching the Sewing Doctor in New York. This time I have a Pfaff Ambition Essential. Ambition Essential. This is the Pfaff machine. I'm going to open it up. Let me show you what's going on. This machine, when I press on the foot pedal, it goes and it gets stuck. What happened? I don't know. From what I heard, the customer says that the machine got caught on fire right over here by the power supply. So I'm going to have to open it up, see what's going on, see what's happening. I'm sure the customer did something because that it's connected directly into the machine. So someone open it up, connect the machine straight into it, and you're not supposed to do that. I have Ambition Essential Pfaff machine. I want to show you. If I click on the foot pedal, every time I click on the foot pedal, that's what's happening. It's not sewing, and I might try my hand wheel. It's, oh my God, it's very, very tight. So what happened, I don't know. Should be a nice machine. I will have to open it up inside and see what's going on. Careful when you open this machine. It's very, very hard to get this machine open without cracking it. So if you're not a professional on the Pfaff brand, you got to be very, very careful. But I have this machine. I'm going to open it up and see what's going on. This is an issue that it's not really see all the time. Let me go inside, open it up, and check it out and see what's going on. I want to show you this part right here. As you can see this? Look at how black this is. This was completely dried. It has some sort of a, he might have been putting there some, I don't know what is it, but it makes the machine very, very tight. I have to, clean this a few times already, but that become like a rubber, right? Something like rubber, and it becomes very, very tight, and that's making the machine to hold it and not to let it ride. So, right now I'm still testing it. I can't say 100% is perfect, but right now I like what I'm seeing. It's running good. It's running the way I want it to be. It's speeding up the speed. You see, this is not good. I will have to, keep this completely 100% free of dust. I don't know what is it that has inside, but it's weird that whatever it is, I gotta make sure that this is 100% clean before I put everything back together. So this, I don't like the way it's producing that. I don't know what it is. It looks kind of a muggy, and it looks like I don't know what it is. Like that. Right now I feel comfortable with it. I feel it's running okay, so I'm gonna put everything back together, try it, and make sure that before I cover it, I'm gonna test it with the sewing because I don't know about the zigzag if it's working fine or not. It's not telling me really. Oh, the needle is moving left to right, as you can see right here. So it's moving fine. It should be 100%. I'm gonna put it back together and then try it. As you can see, when you put the machine on any special stitch, it will download the speed because more the gears are moving inside, so everything gets kind of a slowed down a little bit. Okay, here's the Ambition Essential machine. Look at this. Everything works perfectly fine. Machine is perfectly fine now. Everything is good. Everything is working fine. Let me do the stitch number 2, which is the zigzag, and see what comes up. Look at that. Perfect. Look at that stitch. Everything is nice and finished. The machine is finished now. I'm another happy customer. The machine now is 100% perfectly working fine. Everything is running smooth. Like I said before, keep an eye on that. That machine was producing that black, kind of a rusty, dried, I don't know, it's a weird thing that was producing inside the machine. So I cleaned everything out and the machine's running perfectly fine. Thank you for watching The Sewing Doctor.